Hello and welcome to Nigeria Infusions. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm going to show you how I prepared this coconut rice noodles stir fry. It is not your typical stir fry, so let's get started. In a pan, you want to add in wok oil or vegetable oil. Then goes in the chili. You can modify to non-vegans as well. Then in goes in minced garlic and minced ginger. This is very, very necessary if you want your dish to be tasty. Then goes in spring onions. You just want to mix everything together. Don't worry about my spoon. My spoon is looking beautiful. Then goes in our fake chicken. Like I said, you can add real chicken as well as prawn, or make it yours. So in goes in the fake chicken. Once it goes in, is all packed up, but you want to mash it up with the spoon to spread it out. Then goes in the mixed veg. This went really, really quick, so you need to keep an eye on everything. Then goes in your coconut milk. You can leave the coconut milk out and just add your stock seasoning, but using the coconut milk sort of enriches the dish. It brings it out. So then goes in our vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock or beef stock, whichever you want to do. You just make it your own. Look at my spoon. I've had the spoon ages and I don't want to throw it away. I use it in breaking up ice and the thing just went crazy. But hey, I'm still going to use it like that. Then goes in the soya sauce. The soya sauce is vegetarian and vegan friendly. Then the rice noodle goes in. This thing is very, very quick. You don't want to let your vegetable overcook before you add in the rice noodles. So you want to add in the rice noodles. This it's not a dry dish, but you can make it dry. We wanted it a bit sticky and mushy, so that everything just goes well. There's a balance of flavor, balance of texture, crunchiness from the vegetable. You don't want to overcook your vegetable before your rice noodles goes in. So everything needs to be going in as soon as the other one is going in, so that your vegetable remains nourished, colorful, and as well as tasty. You want to cook and have everything looking fresh and beautiful. That's my son at the background. Anyway, this was the final dish. My son couldn't wait to dig in. He was like, "Mommy, be quick, I need to eat." But I'm like, you know what, I have to take a picture. So feel free to ask questions. I'm here to answer all your questions. I know I'm speaking so fast, but it's only a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and to subscribe.